Meanwhile, Budget Secretary Butch Abad says they will check the 2015 budget for pork barrel as alleged by Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. But Abad adds that as far as he knows, there are none already. He also says that on the issue of savings, they will reconcile the differences between the House, the Executive, and the Senate's version in a technical working group meeting.
At balita ko kay Senator Escudero, meron din silang version sa Senado. Kaya under his initiative, bumuo siya ng technical working group upang sa ganon ang Executive, ang Senado at ang House of Representatives ay mag-uusap bago mag-BICAM para linawin o ma-reconcile yung pagkakaiba ng interpretation sa definition ng savings. Pag-aaralan namin yung mga mungkahi ni Senator Miriam Santiago at titingnan namin kung totoong meron yung mga tinutukoy na pork barrel.